Right, right. I mean, hey, I hear you. I get what you're saying, right? It's registering. I got it. You know, um, but I mean, you don't think that's a little bit extreme? I mean, just a little bit. Cause I mean, you gonna be way up there, you know. And then not only that, you gonna be moving in the helicopter, and your black ass wants to bungee jump out of the helicopter. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of things you could be doing, and hey, I get it. You know it's the big 5-0. You know what I'm saying? Bang on your chest a little bit. The big 50, right? But there's a lot of things you could be doing, like you can go to look. I got it. You can go to Baskin Robbins. They got 31 flavors. You could just pick and choose whatever you want. That's wild. Stack it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, okay, if not that, you can go to the beach. You know what I'm saying? When you at the beach, you can get some roller skates. Take it back. You know, to how it used to be, and just you can be roller skating at the beach on solid ground. That sound good. But no, you don't. You want to bungee jump out of a helicopter. Damn. What up, y'all? How y'all living? Everybody good? Everybody straight? All right, cool. All right. Because what I'm going to do is bring your attention right over here real quick. We got to talk about my man, Will Smith. Big Willie style. You know what I'm saying? Me and him go way back. We boys. You know? The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air practically raised me. I mean, from the style, from the humor. You know, how he hollered at the honeys. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm a Mac with mine. That's where I got it from. You know? And so, first I gotta say happy birthday. You know what I'm saying? It's all love. You're a major influence on my life in a way where, I looked up to you, growing up, and I just thought you was the man. You still the man. That's why you 50. You know what I'm saying? Out there living life. Doing dumb shit like bungee jumping out of a helicopter. But hey, you know what I'm saying? We conquer fear. You know what I'm saying? Anything but fear gets smacked up. Blah, blah. You know? So right now I'm gonna watch you do your thing. Obviously everything went straight, but I'm gonna see how it turned out. Just we gonna watch the shit and see what cracked off. Blam. Huh?
Yes, sir. Going on the way.
Baskin and Robbins. I'm saying they. Hey, he looked nervous as shit. It looked like it's hitting him.
Give me another check there. Coming in really weak and a little bit broken.
This ain't like the movies, dog. Oh, he's giving him some tips, huh? Damn. What they doing? They're getting everything set up. They're making sure everything's solid. This nigga Will's face is locked in. Like, shit, he got me feeling like I'm going up there with him or some shit. Damn. Wait a minute. Are you telling me he's not going to be in the helicopter as they go up? He's going to be sitting on the rail right there? Going up. Huh? Oh, hell no. I mean, y'all couldn't have got this man. Maybe I'm not knowing how it is to bungee jump. I'm thinking you gonna be in the damn helicopter. Oh shit, you constipated? Hey, no, man. How high are they about to be? It's the real daredevil right here. No, hell no. Didn't you learn from Trevor? Don't y'all remember Trevor? I mean, that motherfucker was Hillary Banks. Will you marry me? Bam! That's right, yeah, no. They absolutely not. Oh, he did it. Oh, he looked down. And he looked nervous and shit. His family looked like they was about to cry. Or they were crying or something. Ooh, I know your guts, your internal shits. You better not have ate nothing because that shit would have been bubbling. Let me stop.
We're getting the cameras ready. Okay, we're disconnecting the bungee cord.
Oh, so they everything's in place. They're just making sure everything is right.
We have no green light.
This nigga really got me feeling like I'm up in that helicopter with him.
Disconnecting the bungee cord. We're disconnecting the bungee cord.
Having fun. Let me ask you that same question while you sitting comfortably inside. Let's switch roles. Are you having fun? Damn! This nigga is literally just fucking just hanging in midair. Wow. I wonder what that rush must have felt like. Damn. I mean, I'm just sitting on, you know, in the comfort of my house, you know, my place of peace, and I'm just watching, so I can't really get the true feel for what it was like. But just look at him. Just, oh, I mean, Big Willie style. Damn.
Oh my God!
Who would have thought when he was making Wild Wild West he'd be here? You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Get me the fuck out. Get me out. We good.
This is gorgeous.
All right, you get to take a look at everything. Hey, I mean, that's appreciative. You gotta, right.
Okay, we're at 61.
Nothing but love. Damn. I'm about to watch this every time I go to a dance battle. If I start getting nervous, I'm gonna be like, what would Will do? You know? What is fear?
This is almost.
That should be the damn title of this video. What is fear?
This is some of the most beautiful stuff I've ever seen in my life.
I bet you I'll be holding on to that motherfucker tight.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Where's the mic?
Fuck the mic. Where's the ground?
Let me know, I got the mic. There we go.
That's crazy though. I'm not going front like it's not. I mean, after you do that, you pretty much probably feel like you can do anything.
He's now hanging out over the Grand Canyon.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Okay.
I'm so
And look at the distance between that shit.
From pure terror
Wow.
to absolute bliss.
That is just so frightening, but he did it.
I'm ready for them to put
So you
my
got me all
hands down on
sweaty and
this
shit. Damn.
Time now where bringing him back down,
Ugh.
there's actually still danger that's left, right? Because he's on a bungee, that helicopter is over the Grand Canyon. So if you have an updraft, that can actually lift the helicopter up, which would make Will go down first and then spring up really high. So it's really important that they drop him down. Okay, now this is the moment. They've got to jump on him right away and get him disconnected to that bungee and try to...
This nigga Carlton Banks is taking this shit dumb serious. He making me feel like I'm watching the damn one of them shows where they be like grappling on shit, jumping over stuff. Like it's one of them I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all seen the shows. Damn. I mean, shit. Like I said, you could be at the beach, just skating and shit. You did it already though. You did it. Clap it up. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Big Will. You know, happy birthday, man. You definitely conquered all that. You know what I'm saying? Smack that up. And so I'm appreciative, you know, of your life, everything that you've done, you know. So big shout out to you. What we're going to do now is just, I mean, that's a wrap. Let me know what y'all thought. Would y'all have gone through it? That's the biggest question. Would y'all have done this shit? And I mean, I know it's easy to say when you know what I'm saying, when you like me, when you on your bed, you laid up, you're chilling. You're like, oh yeah, I can do that. It's nothing. Shit, sign me up. Until your ass get on that damn helicopter. Look at that. Like you said, don't look down. I mean, hey, all right. Would y'all do it? Let me know. And then we going to rap about it in the comment section, all right? Y'all be easy. One love. Peace.